You have quote the example for Rajasthan schools. You know about Delhi schools, Delhi government schools. Yes.
In Madhya Pradesh, they are using 1,43,000 for the two bucket of paint. Like can you imagine?
Do you have science club? Do you have music club? Do you have maths club? Do you have labs? Yes. Now explain me what is the science club.
Only Lucknow school. We are talking about
In all the
schools.
universe, in
No,
all the
no,
world,
no.
if there is a private, they have a punctuality, they have a strict discipline rules. I have knowledge.
Why?
I have knowledge.
Why?
Government school do not have any type of punctuality.
No.
The students in coming in any time, they do not have a limited time. They do not have having a proper uniform. That shows their unpunctuality.
I have also completed my education from government college, and now I am I was selected in Tata Motors and Audi as well, and now I am in a Celestial
Which
Tata
type of
Motors.
skills you have? Which type of skills you have?
You are mentioning affordability. What about accountability?
So excuse me guys, today you gathered here and you are sitting here to discuss, to debate on the topic that is government schools or private schools. So if you are going to support the government school, they are better than the private schools. So support from the bottom of your heart. But if you are supporting that private schools are better than the government school, so you also support the bottom of your heart. So should I start? Who wants to start first? From this side or from this side? From this side. So, Umair, please share your opinion first of all.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Muhammad Umair and I am from Lucknow. Today, I am supporting private school. Today, I am discussing on the private school and the government school. I am supporting private school due to some reason and some the major factors. One of them is a better education. According to the ASER report, in the government school, 3 or 4 class, student cannot read a text, a simple text. So the government school not provide a skilled teacher. Government teacher cannot provide a better education. So that's why I am supporting private school. And in the private school, there are the well infrastructure. In the government school, there is not a well prepared infrastructure. In previous month in Rajasthan, the building collapse. There are the 7 children are died by their infrastructure. So that's why I am supporting private school.
Good evening all. My name is Ranjit Kumar Shukla. Your first question is well-educated teacher not available in government school. You have said that.
Say properly.
You say that not well-educated teacher available in government. But I have example, giving example you. If for government teacher you prepared first like you qualify competitive exam. In competitive, if before the competitive exam you qualified like B.Ed, M.A. and B.Sc, M.Sc, like this type of degree you have. After that you apply for government teacher papers. क्या paper ही होगा? Eligibility test. But in private teacher, no required eligibility. If you have any 12th pass, any BA, if you pass, you have a graduation degree, you will be eligible for private teacher.
I can input. In private school, in government school also, they require
No,
only
it is not
graduation.
universally truth. It is not.
They are also
in
require only
60%
graduation.
in India.
He said that they have that graduation, it is important, but they have the eligibility test.
Yes.
CTET and all these things.
In private school also, not each.
No, it is not universally true. In 80%,
In private school also, in private school
80%
also.
private school,
You are in.
not 80% private teacher. Not 80% school
They do not
not demand. You are well qualified like MSc, BSc, MTech, BTech, but in government job you cannot go to qualify for. My second question is infrastructure. Infrastructure. You have quote the example for Rajasthan schools. You know about Delhi schools, Delhi government schools, Bihar government schools, and also UP government schools.
You are give me an example that
No.
private school are
No.
collapsed. That,
We
that
all
died.
are know about
in
Delhi.
previous month.
No, no, we all are about
5,000 schools
Delhi-
are merged by the
Delhi
UP
government
government. 5,000
No, already.
schools were merged by the government, UP government.
No, only one
Due to-
one
due to-
example
due
give
to-
you.
due to the infrastructure.
But lot
due
of
to the
example
infrastructure.
available in UP governments, Bihar governments, or also Delhi governments.
Why you are giving only one state? I am
No,
giving you the
I am
whole,
giving-
whole,
I am giving
I am
you-
giving you example in the whole
No, no,
whole country.
I also giving you example
whole
for
country.
No, no.
And
Whole
and
country.
in
But
you are
you
have
you have
you are
said that
saying
only for example
you
for
are saying you are saying कि private
Rajasthan
school
government.
has good government school has a good infrastructure.
Yes,
Why the
never.
UP government? Why the Rajasthan government? Why the Bihar government? Why the each of government are closing are merging the government school
Okay.
if they have a proper infrastructure.
For I tell about Rajasthan government Rajasthan government school infrastructure. You know about Rajasthan is a very hills and hills area. In hills area, no government not allowed one floor to.
For the private school there also the hill area.
No, no.
Hill area are both.
Maximum,
Why private
but
school have a good
maximum-
infrastructure
maximum
but government
government
school have
belongs
not proper
from villages
infrastructure?
area, not all about for cities.
If you are mentioning that there are the hills area, so government not allowed the more than two floors. And the hill area also for the private school.
Yes,
why
yes,
they are
no,
not
no.
collapsed but government school are collapsed?
No, no. Only
Hills are
you have only
hills are
about-
both
you have
government
only
and
about
private,
government
but
school
government
because
school
it's
are
highlighted
collapsed. Government
highlighted
are
matter all
collapsed.
belongs to government.
Yeah.
It is highlighted matter belong from government schools. If it having to section not highlighted to anybody to any media.
No. If you are
Only-
if give me an example. Give me a
Only-
single example.
Only one
Give
reason
me
for
a single
highlighted
example.
to say government
Give
local
me a
government.
single example that the private building are collapsed. Give me a single example. You don't interrupt that.
That I first I told you कि only government schools media highlighted because he target on government.
Why they are highlighted? Why they are? Because they are
Fact.
collapsed day by
It is
day.
fact.
Why
Because
they are
all are-
highlighted?
all are-
Why they
all
are
are-
highlighted?
all
Because they are
waiting
collapsed day by
government
day.
only and
Rajasthan,
demanding
Gujarat,
all acceptance
Maharashtra.
demanding from क्या बोलें, demanding
Why
from
I
government.
am asking why they are highlighted? Because they are day by day collapsing.
No,
They are,
no,
because
only
they are
one example
highlighted.
you give you.
Huh?
Only one example from Rajasthan.
I give you Rajasthan. I give you an example of
But many
Bihar.
times-
I give you
many examples-
I am giving you example of Jharkhand. I am
Give
giving
me
you an
one
example
example
of.
from Bihar.
Huh?
One example from Bihar.
I'm not know about school, but I saw in Twitter of the.
No, but we are talking about no government school or private
I am giving you can check.
but not about all
I am
government infrastructure.
in Bihar also there are in Bihar collapse building of
No.
government school.
He is related to government school.
Yeah, they are related to government school.
Where district? Please tell me district. name.
I am not-
In which district?
Then you give me an example of that collapse of the
I have
private
no
school.
private. No.
And the government school has only government.
I have not pointed.
Sorry.
I have not pointed.
I am what
have
what
not
I am
pointed
saying.
Any state private.
I am pointing you na
but I have
Rajasthan.
not. Why are you asking me?
I am pointing you Rajasthan. They are collapsed.
No.
So, good evening to all of you. My question is you that as we have come here for in this school for the education. So, if there is a very bad infrastructure or a good infrastructure, but we have always a one motive to always get the education. For the education, suppose we are here and suppose there is a one more coaching, it is having a more good environment, more good thing, but what the content we are getting, it is same. So that's my point.
Yes, no doubt. Education is matter, but education is matter. I am supporting, but this is not. You cannot say that if a bad infrastructure is for the education, you can give your life, you can ruin your life due to the infrastructure. If you know the infrastructure is not good, if you know this infrastructure is too much bad, if you know the infrastructure is cannot face the student, if the student upstairs the building collapse, so it doesn't mean that education is important or infrastructure important. I can give you basic infrastructure. I'm not demanding a luxurious building. I'm demanding a basic infrastructure. And the government school doesn't provide a basic infrastructure. I'm giving an example. I mentioned it.
I agree with your points, but there is one only the point like infrastructure. There is a something kind of the things and the guidance like if we are making the any schools, we have to wait for the bill pass and something that like there are certain things where we have to say that we are using this kind of material. We are there are so much kind of things, but if we are but if we are but if we are using a very cheap like amount of like if we have a cheap cement and all the things of that, and suppose the land
That is why I'm supporting. That is why I'm supporting, because
but
they are using
it is
the
the
cheap concrete,
it is
cheap
not-
cement, and
it is
they are also doing
because of
corruption.
the government.
They are also doing
Because it
corruption
is-
in Madhya Pradesh. They are using 1,43,000 for the two bucket of paint.
Like-
Can you imagine two bucket of paint? They are using 1,43,000.
Oh my God.
like
There are too much corruption
yes,
and casteism. You know.
caste. I am saying like not that in kind of that.
No,
because
you are-
I
you
am
are-
saying
you-
both
you
for-
are-
I
you
am
are-
saying both
you
for the government and
you are
government
you
and
are
private both.
you accepted there are the cheap cement, cheap concrete.
I am not
so that's why
accepted.
I'm
I
supporting
have
private
not
school.
accepted. I have said in the government and private both, because there is the same government. Suppose I have to meet the any of the school, we have to give the things to the any kind of the of officers
School in
What I
private
am
school.
saying both as we are talking about the corruption and so much these kind of thing, it is for both like the like the private sector and both
You are saying
government sector.
if they are using a concrete, a cheap cement, you are
cement.
mentioning कि they are passing the bill and they
Yes,
are verify
corruption.
the officer. First of all, officers also the corrupted.
I am saying the same thing
I'm-
for the private also.
I'm not.
That's
I'm
my
not.
question.
I am
Because
not.
When
I am
I
not.
have
If
given
the
you
private
conclusion.
school, if
I
the
have given
private
you conclusion, and I am
I
saying
am-
for both.
I
Yes,
am
for the
I
private and
I
for
I
both the
I
private and
mentioned
government also.
in private school they are also they have to
I am not
they have
saying
also
for
to
the
verify
one
their
thing. I am not
by the
saying-
officer.
I am-
Without
yes.
verifying the officer, they cannot
They
make the
cannot make
building.
what I'm
you
saying,
know,
because when I talk about the
without
corruption-
verifying the officer, they cannot make the
Very
building.
nice, very nice. Other opinion from this side. We have very nice. There is my opinion. Rasmi, share your opinion. Share your opinion.
First of all, good evening, everyone. My name is Rasneet Kaur. I was born and brought up in Lucknow. Today, I am here to support in government colleges, government schools. So, my first opinion is कि in government college have a limited fees structure. Like if you are going for
Rasmi, I want to tell
study
you that one thing, that we are not talking about the college. We are talking about the school.
schools,
So mention
okay.
only school.
Okay, if you are going to study in a government school, so you can easily afford this
And it is free of cost, like
education,
for college.
and it also free of cost. And my second opinion is कि government
Help
schools
people, huh?
government schools also have
People?
to have lots of help to people. They provide a meal also,
Midday meal.
midday meal. No, such kind of people not afford meal, not afford clothes as well, but government college also provide government schools also provide clothes and shoes as well, and food also. So this is my two opinions.
First, my question is limited fees structure. Do you know there are many private schools? They have a limited fee structure. How can you prove it? That the government school have only a limited fee structure.
What's the
And
limited
first,
fees structure in private schools?
It will be around 5,000.
5,000.
But
and
they are providing a good.
but
They are providing a good teachers also, well qualified
Wo-
teachers,
wo sta-
and the
wo-
teachers are updating with a new things, new teaching
who is
methods,
telling
new
who
skills.
is telling you ki government schools in government schools teachers are not qualified? You know about Khan sir?
I'm not saying about Khan sir. I'm not talking about Khan sir and this. I'm
No,
talking about teachers.
I am just giving you an example of Khan sir. Khan sir also studied in a government sector, and he also provide a luxurious education in a good education in a government sectors employees and make government officers. So, and you are mentioning 5,000 rupee limited fees. So in government or in government is
Sir, I have a proper answer
wait
for
wait
proving this.
in
Why
government
they have?
in government sector we have government sector they have provided a minimum fees and with well educated education. So why are you telling this type of words ki if you are studying in a government in a private school so you get bestest education, and if you are studying in a government school so you are poor? Why are
I'm
you
not saying that if you are government school you are poor. First, listen my full opinion. You are wrong in this way. I have not
you
mentioned that
are-
government school.
you show this type of things, that's
but
why I can
but I can't mention this. I did not mention this poor word. How can you say that?
I am just saying you are
First, prove
mentioning
it that I have not
5,000.
mentioned that. Just
If-
prove it me
Just
that I have mentioned.
you are showing that if you are in a government sector so you cannot afford a good education.
Yes.
So this is shows na ki you are saying, you are trying to saying that if you are you are trying to say if you are in a government sector so if you are get education from government college government school so you are not eligible for taking this type of educations, and you cannot afford you cannot afford technical knowledge up skills and all. You are mentioning na.
Yes, I have said about that. No, sir. She have also said that in government schools there are many good qualified teachers.
Yes.
Are you saying that? Do you know why the private schools are taking a 5,000 rupees per month fees?
That's not matter. I am mentioning
That's matter. You have said that.
whose people.
why she is supporting now.
So I'm proving that.
Firstly, you can understand my point. You can listen well. Then you can talk to me.
I'm
here.
listening. That's what I'm saying.
Firstly, ma'am, you can listen.
Sir, I'm saying
Who's
about
tell you?
government
Who's
sector.
tell you? Who's tell you? Government sector employees have no education and no skills.
Ma'am, can you?
Ma'am, I am an example in front of you. I am also.
Do you know
I
in
have
government
also
sector, the
completed.
teachers-
I have also completed my education from government college, and now I am in a. I was selected in Tata Motors and Audi as well, and now I am in a Celestial.
Which
Tata
type of
Motors.
skills you have? Which type of skills you have?
I have skills. I
Which
have.
type of skills?
Along with academics, I enhanced my technical skills by completing
you have
O
any
level,
sports
ADCA,
skills
DCA,
and type
triple
of
C.
skills
Yes,
you have
I
that?
have. Yes, I have.
Which type of sports
Yes,
skills
I
you
have. Yes, I have. Because
Show me.
government
Prove it.
schools. Government schools have also provide this type of activities.
Government school
This
will
is
never
not-
provide inter-school.
This is not.
Government school
This
will
is
never
not.
provide
First of
inter-school
all,
competition.
first of all, you are mentioning technical skills. You are not mentioning activities. So
Government
there
school
is
will
a
provide you
difference
club
between.
science,
Shut up.
science,
Firstly,
Why I
listen.
will?
Firstly, listen. You are mentioning only technical skills, but now you are jumping in activities. Firstly, you can. Firstly, there is a difference between activities and technical skills. So, firstly, you go and search out what is activity and what is
Now, ma'am, I
technical
have to
skills.
say that in your government school, now you are saying about technical. Now I have a question. I have you in government schools there are science club. Do you have science club? Do you have music club? Do you have maths club? Do you have labs? Do you have a libraries? Do you have a computer
Firstly,
system? Do you
yes,
have?
yes, I have. In the government schools have also provided this type of facilities. You go, you
Government
go.
school, I have also searched it, but in Sabesh school. Now give me an example of in which school there is a science club, there is a maths club, there is a labs, there is a library. Prove it. I want example. I don't want excuse.
I am giving you example. Girls Inter College have provided.
Yes,
It is a government. It is a government. They have provided this type of activities as well.
Your
Technical
government is
skills.
your have a science club.
Yes.
Now explain me what is the science club.
There are many types of. Sir, वो क्या होता
Your
है?
science, your school will provide you a practical learning
I'm
skills.
not science side, so I don't know.
It doesn't matter if you are not in a science side. It doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter.
First of all, you are mentioning affordability. What about accountability? If you are mentioning affordability, I accept affordability. What about accountability? And you are saying limited fees. What about the limited area? In my own village, there is no government school. What about the limited area? You are mentioning affordability. What about accountability? If a building collapse, if teacher is not come, if the teacher is not skilled, if the student are not well educated, if they well prepared for any exam, if there is not there, if they are not giving any competitive exam, who take the accountability, who take the responsibility? You are mentioning affordability. What about the accountability?
Okay. So, first of all, many officers have to go on and check the schools as well. If teacher are not here, so strictly action होता है sir. Strictly they take action. So how you say this?
I mentioned in 2 minutes ago in Rajasthan, no one taking accountability. No one was taking about any officer, any minister, no one taking accountability.
Firstly, ma'am, you mentioned is help the people in government school. According to you, in private schools also run a charitable trust to help poor children and as well. And also, I am working this school. It also provides charity to improve poor children, and they also working on the labor areas to improve their childs as well. So how can you say that only governments help the people, not a private?
Sir, give me an example of what school giving you a
Ma'am, I am
this
the
type
giving.
of
I am an example of also doing charity.
sir.
Yes, sir. And
Sir, give me an example of you are mentioning. So, give me an example of one student which who have gaining a free of cost.
Ma'am, I am not
Education.
I am not mentioning.
Sir, I am mentioning if you are not affordable, if you are not if you cannot afford the highest fees, so you can easily afford minimum fees and get knowledge about the whole education.
Talking about the fees,
Government schools also
Yeah, ma'am,
provide scholarships. Government schools also
Ma'am,
provide
private school also provide
scholarships.
scholarship.
So why are you telling this type of words?
So good evening, my panelists. Today I'm here. Thank you so for giving me this this opportunity to here to debate this opponent team. So my topic is about private school, and I proudly support private schools because my first opinion is that better quality and environment. So let's start without any delay. The in private schools, they provide high academic standard. Teachers are teachers are trained by um, good schools, and they have a update how to teach. They have update that how to teach in a new method, how to teach in a new skills. Teacher have classes are planned with discipline. In government schools, often face teachers shortage and shortage and shortage and irregular classes. My second opinion is individual attention. Smaller size, smaller size classes. Smaller size classes means smaller size classes means the teacher have the teacher gave a personal attention to another students. Weak student will also get a extra help to those teacher, but in government school there are many two children, and teacher can't saw one-to-one children. Teacher can't give a personal attention one-to-one student. The teacher have to manage all the school all the students. And in government school there are, in one class there is 100 students, but in private schools they have a section. They have divided student in different sections.
Yes.
That's the student get that the student will take a good education. And now my third opinion is disciplined and good environment.
Environment.
I'm disciplined and good environment. See, in private schools, they have a strict discipline rules. They have a clear classes. They have a they have a regular uniforms that shows a punctuality.
Yes.
And do you know, a discipline creates a successful student. Now, do you have any question regarding this? So please ask.
Yes. One by one.
My first question on environment.
Yes.
In government school also available good environment. Good environment. You also about like
About
first,
I'm talking
first
about
listen,
the
first listen,
normal private
first-
schools
first
also.
listen,
They
first
have
listen,
a.
First listen, but you talking about one like higher.
I didn't mention
No,
this.
no. Only first listen after answer. ठीक है?
Okay.
You मतलब told about only like this type only in India. How much only 20% contribute in private sector. At a time 80% private school, not a good infrastructure, not a good environment also available.
Do you prove it?
Yes, I am prove it. If you have from villages area and valley rural area, not a good infrastructure available in private school also, or not dressing sense available in rural private schools. You talk only about Lucknow city, Delhi city, and Jaipur city.
If I mention these types of things that I'm talking about, these types of things,
because
I have
I
mentioned.
am from rural.
I didn't mention this thing that I'm
No.
talking about.
How did you say good environment not available in private government school?
In your government school, they have a punctuality.
Yes,
Go-
yes, available.
Punctuality decide.
Yes,
Pun-
punctuality.
If explain me, what is punctuality? First explain me. If you're saying first explain me now.
I will explain. Yeah,
I want what is punctuality. Just explain me now.
first listen. If your management decide your school timing is 9:30 to 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. 6 30 p.m. That is punctuality. I know about what is the punctuality because I am.
I want only an answer. What is punctuality? First, explain me this. So he said about that if you are
If you come
and on time
On the
and
time,
that is the punctuality.
in private schools, have you listened my full opinion? I have said that in private schools they have a strict discipline, punctuality. They have, if the teacher is late, they have to message.
ma'am.
First, I have to
No,
complete.
no,
you
no,
don't-
no,
you
no,
are
no,
not
no,
listening
no.
my opinion, and you are
No, no,
you
no, no.
can't
I
able
not
to
agree
listen.
this point. I not agree on this point because 80% is in private school not punctuality. Because I
How
see that.
can you prove it?
Yes, I prove it.
How can you prove
No,
it?
it is only
All
only
the
way to
private
prove
school
that
have.
only we
Because
क्या बोलेंगे,
they
आप मेरे
have
साथ चलो, मैं
pressure.
दिखा सकता हूँ इसको क्या बोलेंगे मतलब ये आप so
In which school? Give me an example of one school
many
that
types of school.
that
No,
do
no,
not
no.
have a
No,
punctuality.
many times many type of school.
You have it, okay. You have said that it's in government school. You have mentioned. So why are you saying? You can't talk. You can't speak. She have mentioned in her opinion.
Ma'am, we are not talking about only Lucknow school. We are talking about
In all the
schools.
universe, in
No,
all the
no,
world.
No.
If there is a private, they have a punctuality, they have a strict discipline rules.
Not agree. Because I
You
see that.
can't. You, I think that I am not saying about that. If you are studying in a government school, that's why you are supporting. But you don't know about the knowledge of private school. You don't know about the academics of private schools.
But you know, don't
What's
have
it?
to knowledge about government school.
I have knowledge.
No, why?
I have
Why?
knowledge.
Why?
I have knowledge.
Why?
Government
Give
school
me
do not
example.
have any type of punctuality.
No.
The students in coming in any time, they do not have a limited time. They do not have having a proper
No.
uniform. That shows their unpunctuality.
My second question is shortage of teacher shortage. I think
She mentioned about it.
yes, shortage of teacher.
Yes,
faculty.
often
faculty-
face teacher shortage
Shortage.
and irregular class.
I my क्या बोलेंगे उसको? My second question is shortage faculty shortage. गवर्नमेंट टीचर का काम मतलब टीचर का काम तो पढ़ाना एक्चुअली हुआ बट टीचर उसको गवर्नमेंट उसको यूज कर रहा है बाकी चीजें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर अदर लाइक SIR फॉर्म और जनगणना क्या बोलेंगे
That's why we are not supporting.
बट आई एम सपोर्टिंग ना
But you have a government pressure. You have a government pressure.
if government not used government teacher for like this type of works where shortage in government job,
in government schools, the government have pressurized in government schools, but in private schools, the teachers are not
But-
so much. First complete, not pressurized, because the government schools know that. Because the government schools know that. If the government, the private schools know that. If we pressurize teachers, so teachers also go in stress. That's why in private,
where go
I have mentioned stress. You are not listening that.
You're not listening properly. She mentioned interest.
tell again
Why I will tell? You have to listen.
Other question. Other question. Navjot, उसको सही तरीके से आवाज नहीं जा रही.
I am asking question about your one-to-one interaction. So I want to ask, what is the strength of the? Suppose there are 3 sections. What is the strength of the first section class? in the
49,
private?
49 to 50 students, limited.
Okay. There are very limited students. Suppose there are very huge amount of students in the government.
Then-
so there are more other section like A, B, C, D, E.
But
Like there are more
in one section,
also.
they provide 100 students.
No.
Yes.
No, in schools they cannot make the auditorium that they are conducting. It is
In
the
government
only.
school, that is.
No,
Government
no.
school
It is not
provide very
auditorium.
less sections.
No, it is not the auditorium. It is that school that they also do the things, and they are very qualified teachers. Also, they have always passed the competitive exam. then they have come because they have do the many things that
In
they're
private
eligible
schools,
for
they
that,
have.
and they have
If
come
you are
and
not
they
eligible
know,
to teach, if
they
you do
know,
not have a
they know,
confidence, you
and they
can't.
also do the one-to-one conversation. I am saying that suppose these things, always the first study is the self study that you do, and you will always get the knowledge regarding that. Self study is more important.
You are asking about interaction. Why are
Yes, I
you
am
converting in
interaction.
self-study these types of things?
I am
Why
just
you are?
I am just asking like the interaction. Suppose if you are doing the self study and you are more aware of it, and you will then only ask the question to the teacher.
You are mentioning a lots of people and divided by sessions. Lots of
said
children
that?
divided by sessions. Who's tell you कि government sectors have not divided sessions?
Okay. Do you know the strength of government schools?
I'm not talking about strength.
No, first tell me, if you are saying
I
that,
am
just tell me what is the strength of. You are also studying. You have also passed out of your government school. Now you have to tell me what is the maximum, in the 7th class also. What is the maximum strength? Just tell me. You are
150 around.
150.
Oh
Wow, 150 student.
because we have what D, 4 types of session A B C D
In 4 sections.
in 4 section.
4 section in government schools. Okay, you are saying that.
Yes.
And I'm not sure about that your sections because I am not studied in government schools.
So I also don't know what's your sessions and all.
So why are you asking this types of
You are
questions?
mentioning. That's why I am
Okay,
asking.
you are saying about
Firstly,
your section
you
about-
are not aware of your point.
I am aware. Your section. You are saying about
You
ABC.
are mentioning and you are you did
you are saying that in government schools they have a
no,
section
you are
ABCD.
mentioning this point and you can't remember your point.
I remember your point.
Good evening, all. My name is Ranjit Shukla. Today I'm sitting here to discuss about government school versus private school. My opinion is for government. Today I support government school. My opinion is for government school. Government school especially provide a special reservation and a special effort provide for women's education. I am talking about a special women's reservation. Basically, I am from Bihar. I am from Bihar. I would like to. I will. क्या बोलेंगे talking about Bihar government's schemes. If any women's first I told you कि Bihar women's literacy is very low as compare men's. Bihar governments especially focus on women's reservation and women's development program, like that. If any girls pass out 10th, government give extra support like 10,000 rupees. If any girls pass out 12th exam, government extra support like मतलब support extra support like higher education for the higher education. In we are talking about schools, government school. In government school, if any women's provide inform like transportation system, like give free of cost cycle for school जाने के लिए for the school. That is a good as compared. That's why I am supporting to government school.
One question. No, not many.
You are saying about in Bihar schools they only if the woman is passing on they support women. That is a type of discrimination. That's why they are not supporting women. It is a type of discrimination.
Yes.
No, this is not type of
This
discrimination.
is not
No,
discrimination.
not-
They are not.
Also
They
high.
are not capable.
No,
They
no,
are
not-
many means they are not
we are not talking
capable.
about capability. All not thinking about a capability.
What is this?
मतलब साक्षरता ज़्यादा है वहाँ पे.
But there are many boys they are not capable.
No, how?
Yes, there are many boys. They are not capable. How can you say that every boy has a capable
No.
ability?
We are
Educated.
talking about government data, not about personal
Why?
data. Yeah.
It is a type of
But also
discrimination. then.
research it.
You have opinion. You have shared.
Yes,
Just prove it that how it is not a discrimination.
ma'am,
Just
you
prove
know
it.
about for Bihar education system. You know about.
Yes.
But I know about. But I am a student of Bihar board.
So you are talking about only Bihar.
Yes, one-
What the other type?
all-
What the other?
All our state government provide same things
First, tell me about my answer.
except South India.
First, tell me about my answer. How can you prove that it is not a discrimination? There are many boys. They are so innocent. They are not capable to stand. They are not capable. They do not have any. They do not have any type of confidence to stand.
Ranjit
Why?
was mentioning कि Bihar government give the extra power to the sorry not extra power women. We are not taking we are not talking about the women empowerment. You are mentioning कि government give the women sir more नहीं सर मोर नहीं सर इन्होंने मेंशन किया हाँ कि सर they are not talking about school, they are mentioning yes you are talking about women empowerment, you are not talking about the government school, you are mentioned
Because government
you are mentioned first listen you are mentioned
all our scheme belongs from government school.
only talk about schools, not talk about the if the government give you scheme, talk about the government school, not talk about
They can talk about the schemes of the government.
sir if
You are talking about the midday meal and all these things. This is the also scheme. So very same scheme that talking
sir
about.
if
During the schooling time,
Then during only
he is passing he mentioned sir I listen carefully, he mentioned
the same school provide. The same
sir I write you are mentioned कि after the passing the women
No.
you are mentioned sir he is mentioned
No.
I write he is mentioned कि after the passing women can get extra chance to
no.
get job and
First listen. I told you I am accepting, but I am told कि after that passing high schools, government also provide extra support for
so
his
there is
higher education.
sir after the provide after high school and 12th there is a college we are talking about
This
school.
scheme also available for 9th and 10th schools also available.
Yes.
Not for higher education only.
You are mentioned कि after passing and you are returning for 9th and 10th.
But after some time I will correct my word. You are
First
carefully.
mention and after that correcting how
No,
it is
no, it is
possible?
not my point.
If you
It is not
are
my
not
point.
giving
It is not my
valid
point.
reason then
Well,
you
it
are
is not my point. No.
then you are returning
Okay. Other question.
and
Good evening, my panelists. I am here to share that I am here to support private schools because of good facilities in provide their private schools. In that, private schools also provide transportation and also keep eye on students by camera and teachers also looking after the children. In that, in fact, वो van facilities जो होती है transportation facilities also as well. And the second point is playground also.
आप क्यों बंद करते हैं?
अरे इसका सोच ले
हाँ.
क्यों because of private schools also provide good sports education. They also have annual day and also doing best extracurricular activities as a physical just like football, volleyball, running and also conduct at the national level. That's why the students also become a national level player also.